CoinDCX Crypto Exchange Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience using CoinDCX, a popular crypto exchange known for its wide range of features and accessibility. CoinDCX is designed for both beginners and advanced traders, providing a simple interface for newcomers and advanced tools for seasoned traders. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of altcoins, making it a solid option for anyone looking to buy, sell, or trade digital assets. One of the standout features of CoinDCX is its user-friendly interface. The app and web platform are clean, easy to navigate, and designed to make the trading experience seamless, whether you're on mobile or desktop. For beginners, CoinDCX offers an intuitive onboarding process, which includes educational resources like CoinDCX Learn, helping users understand the basics of crypto trading, risk management, and more. For those with experience in crypto trading, CoinDCX provides advanced charting tools, margin trading options, and staking opportunities. The exchange also offers a CoinDCX Pro platform where you can execute limit orders, spot trades, and access a more complex trading environment. This versatility makes it a great choice for traders at any level. Another major advantage of CoinDCX is its security. The exchange uses industry-leading security protocols like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage to keep users' funds safe. CoinDCX also provides insurance coverage for users' assets held on the platform, adding an extra layer of confidence for those concerned about security. When it comes to fees, CoinDCX's fee structure is relatively competitive, with a tiered model that rewards higher volume traders with lower fees. It also supports a variety of payment methods for deposits and withdrawals, including UPI, bank transfers, and even credit cards, which makes funding your account easy and fast. Customer support is also noteworthy. CoinDCX has 24/7 support through live chat and email, and the team is responsive and helpful in resolving issues quickly. Overall, CoinDCX is a versatile and secure platform that caters to both beginner and experienced traders, making it a solid choice for anyone interested in crypto trading. Whether you're just getting started or are a seasoned trader, CoinDCX offers the features, tools, and security you need to make the most out of your crypto experience.